Today's class is an opportunity to draw your energy back into your presence, back into your body. Let go of anything external that you've given over control to. We'll tune in with the mantra Ong Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. Take a deep inhale in. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a deep inhale in. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a deep inhale in. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. The first pose we're going to move into today is crow squats. Make your way to standing. Take both hands and interlace them behind your neck. Now make your way down into a crow squatting position and inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. If that's too much for you, just do a very small squat and then back up. Maybe like this, a little down, a little up. Take it at your own rhythm. Wherever you are, just be sure as you come up, you inhale, and as you go back down into your squat, you exhale. Keep going here, building up strength. Almost there. And inhale as you come back up to standing. Relax the arms down. Moving into our next posture, Lotus Pose. We'll come to seated. If full Lotus Pose is in your practice today, feel free to take that. If not, just crossing your legs like this is great. Now bend your elbows at your rib cage and your palms face forward. Begin rocking back and forward in this position. Inhaling as you rock back, exhaling as you come forward. If you'd like more stability, feel free to bring your knees into your chest, holding onto them with your hands, and rock back and forth like that. Remember, in any posture, it's not about forcing yourself into the full position. It's just about moving in the direction of it. So even a centimeter is wonderful. Inhaling as you come back and exhaling as you go forward. Letting this massage your spinal column and circulate energy. Now coming back up to seated. We'll make our way into our next posture, standing toe touches. Stand up with your legs spread wide apart. The arms are straight up overhead with the palms together. Now bend to the left and touch the left toes. Rise upright and then bend to the right and touch the right toes. Rise up and continue this. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Inhaling up and exhaling down. There may be a slight bend in your knees if that feels good. If you're not making it all the way to touching your toes today, it's all good. Again, move in the direction. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Keep that going. Circulating fresh prana through the mind and body. Last few reps here. Keep breathing. Just allowing your body to cleanse itself and to strengthen and to stretch so that your real self can come to the forefront of your life. Inhale up, stretch up, and let the arms float down. Place your hands on your hips. Take some intuitive movement, some hip circles, and go both directions. And then jump your feet back together for our next posture. We'll make our way back into that crow pose squat. This time we're going to lock our hands behind our head with our elbows extended out to the side. Now move your elbows in so that they point straight forward and then bring them back out to the sides. Inhale the elbows in, exhale back out to the side. Feel free to take a modification here by just simply squatting down a little bit. Just keep that breath going in and out. And if you don't want to squat at all, just simply take your legs up to standing and keep the movement with the arms, keep the breath going. Wherever you are, move the arms in and out powerfully. Inhaling the elbows in together, exhaling them back out to the sides. Take the arm movement at your own rhythm, your own pace. Take the depth of breath at your own pace. Just a few more repetitions here. We'll inhale our arms out to the side. Open up and exhale. Let the arms float down. Now the next posture, still in crow pose, or take a modification, just a little squat, or you can take this just standing straight back up. Alternatively, stretch each arm out to 60 degrees, and when you bring the arm all the way up, imagine that you're grabbing something when your hand is extended, and then bring it back in. Stretch the arm out to 60, grab something, bring it back in, other arm. If the full crow squat is not a preference today, just simply squat a little bit or stand up. A few more reps here, bringing the arms out to 60 degrees and grabbing on. Now we'll transition into our next posture, still in this position. We're going to bring all of our fingertips onto our shoulders and begin twisting left and right. Inhaling left, exhaling right. Feel free to modify this by coming up a bit. And if you don't want to squat at all, just simply stand up and move left and right. Inhaling left, exhaling right, in and out through the nose. Taking whichever variation is right for you today. What you take today might not be what you take tomorrow. Most importantly, just always tuning in and listening to exactly what your body is asking for. Breathing, circulating your energy. Our last posture before sealing our practice with a chant. Inhale, pause, and exhale. We'll make our way to seated. We'll begin chanting the mantra Hari Har Haree Har Haree Har Haree. This mantra represents the three forms of creative infinity. Hara represents the seed, Haree represents the flow, and Hari represents the manifestation. Hari Har Haree Har Haree Har Haree. 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 Inhale, hold your breath. Squeeze your root. Look between the eyebrows. Let go of any tension. Circulate your energy. Exhale. Inhale deep. And exhale. We'll bring our hands to heart center. Satnam. Thank you for practicing with me. Be sure to tap that subscribe button for more empowering classes like this. Like, comment. I always love hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next one.